Today we're making creamy strawberry lemonade. Let's see how it works out. Y'all come on and join us in the kitchen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash 4 of our strawberries. And now we're just going to cut the tops off. Now we've had the strawberry like pink drink, but we've never made a creamy strawberry lemonade. So we're going to give it a try today and see how it turns out. We're going to put them in our jar. And now we're going to wash our lemon. I'm going to cut it in half. And we're going to use this whole lemon because we're making a double drink. We're making it big enough for a quart jar. If you were going to use like a pint, you could use just a half of the lemon. Now I'm going to try to get all the seeds out because I don't want them in my lemonade. Because we're going to be drinking this with a straw. Okay, we've got all the seeds out of our lemon, so now we're going to add that to the jar. And now you just need something that you can take and squeeze your lemons and strawberries, sort of mash them. So we're just going to work this. We might even use this end. That probably would work even better. Okay, once you have your lemons and strawberries pretty well mashed up, you'll have a lot of juice in the bottom of your jar. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk. And now most of y'all probably would use white sugar, but we're going to add just a little bit of the stevia drops. But if you was wanting it real sweet, you could add up to like 3 tablespoons of white sugar, but you already have your condensed milk in there also, and it's sweet. So I'm just going to add around 10 drops of this stevia. But now if you like it sweet, add more sugar. And now we're going to fill it with ice. And now we're going to fill it with water. We're going to put our lid on our mason jar, and we're going to give it a shake. See the sweetened condensed milk? And look at that. We've got creamy strawberry lemonade. Let's pour us up some. That's gonna be good. Now there you go, creamy strawberry lemonade. Oh, y'all need to give this one a try. Let y'all see what it looks like. 1 lemon for 1 quart jar of our creamy strawberry lemonade worked out great. The 1 tablespoon of condensed milk is the perfect sweetness for a quart jar. I hope y'all give this a try. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all give this creamy strawberry lemonade a try. It's delicious. It would be great to take to any kind of cookout, or even like a baby shower or a wedding shower would make a great drink, sort of like a punch. I hope y'all give this drink a try, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.